Oh no. I want to make a shawl. It is over 100 degrees outside. This is 100% superwash merino wool. Look at this yarn. It has been calling to me. And I know it's going to take a lot of time to make. But I want to do it. I think I have enough yarn. I think 4 skeins is enough. If not, I'm screwed. I want to do stripes. Granny stitch, triangle shawl.
Guess who switched to another project?
Guess what I crafted? This familiar? I had to fix it. The grommets came out, and then I wanted to change the color, and then I just got carried away. But, woo, get to use this again. Thank you, babe.
Beach towel update.
Hello, hello, my fellow crafty people. I wanted to at least maybe work on a vlog. Catch you guys up on some of what I've been up to, what I plan on doing. So right now, I have been working on cleaning the craft room. Right now, it is messy. And then I don't know what else to do. I have a couple whips going on, a couple crochet whips, a couple sewing whips. I recently went to the thrift store and got some shelves, set up these shelves that I've had for ages. I'd gotten them from the thrift store and painted them black, and they're finally up and holding my knitting supplies, which then in turn opened more storage space behind me in there. I have some whips, I have the beach towel still going, I have a bun warmer that I'm working on, I have some birthday gifts that I'm working on, fingerless gloves I'm working on, and that's just crochet. Yeah, I'm tired. I am so tired, but I think that that's just like the reality of existing, and that's okay. I need to rest. So I don't really know how much I'll get done today. I feel like I don't think I have anything going on tomorrow. Right now my car is in the shop. I don't know how long until my car will be fixed, but until then I am stuck at home. Which is not the worst thing ever. I'm a homebody, so I like being at home. I got some new storagey stuff recently, like the shelf I got recently. Hung those up recently. Alright, let's get crack-a-lackin' on cleaning. Woo! Also, I wanted to show, look at what I got at the thrift store. Some Juicy Couture yarns. I honestly haven't really used the Juicy Couture yarns, but I saw it and I saw that they had the pink, and I was like, I should get this. It feels almost like finding a lost media. I don't know if that's the right thing, but like lost things being like, ooh. They haven't, I don't know if they still sell the Juicy Couture yarns. Do they still sell those? I know there are Joann's and Rip Joann's, you know. But just, do they still sell this yarn, or is this like the last of it? Okay, I just wanted to hop in and be like, oh my god, look at this yarn that I got. Okay, we're gonna focus. This vlog is just gonna be me being like, yep. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get something done. I'm gonna do something. Okay, I got this clear bad boy, and I started filling it with patterns, with my cross stitch and embroidery thingies, and then some like home decor slash plushie. This is mainly like plushies patterns, and then children patterns. But I think I'm going to rearrange it to maybe like the patterns that I plan on using the most often. Because some of these, like, I want to learn how to cross stitch and embroider, but I don't know how to yet. And I want it to go up there. So it'll be in a spot where I can easily reach it, which means I want it to be things that I'm pulling like regularly. And I wouldn't say that I like pull these regularly. Maybe the plushies eventually, because I want to get into making plushies, but like I don't often make children's patterns, and I still don't know how to cross stitch or embroider. So maybe I should do it with patterns that like, maybe like upcoming patterns or patterns that I plan on using.
Back to crafting.
So I sewed all the squares together, and then I'm adding a border. Hello, hello. Welcome to a new day. I got my smoothie, and I have no idea what I'm going to do today. I did some studying for my LC exam this morning. I did some crocheting. And if you haven't checked out my Pentagon tank top tutorial, check it out. It seems like it's doing well. And I hope people are like understanding and following along. And I hope to see some Pentagon tank tops made in the future. We'll see when I have a plan, maybe. It's so close to being done. Actually, not really. It's like half wet. Hello, hello. It is later in the day. I wanted to check in because I made this. You can see I still have two ends to weave in. Hold on. Maybe you can see that better. This is what I made. You can see a little bit that it is like a pouch, and it has these two grommets that I just put in. And I think I'm gonna add a ribbon or maybe a chain, and this can be a like a pouch for your car, like if I put a chain through it. So this is what it's looking like. I don't know why it's curving like that up there, but yeah, there's still the two ends to weave in. But here is what the car overhang will be without whatever attachment I add, whether it's chain or ribbon, we'll see. But this is what it looks like so far. Okay, this is the car seat hanger with the cord. I just added some hardware and made a short I-cord. I think this is the right length for a car hanging, for it to have enough room. I don't know. It can also get changed out with these. So originally it was gonna be a set of coasters, and then it was gonna be, I think, a bag, and then it became this. So this particular project has gone through a couple of variations, but I really like it. I think my sister is gonna like it. I think it's cool. Hopefully she likes it. Also, I made a bunch of I-cord, and then I made this little like holder that I added some hardware to, and then I have it clipped on this cart that's next to me so that my scissors are in easy peasy reach. They're just hanging off this cart. And I'm not going to move it now because candle is going, but I also made a little coaster, a black coaster with more of the I-cord yarn.
I have no clue what happened to the audio in this section sad face. But look at the progress I made in this shawl. Wow! So pretty. Some granny squares for fingerless gloves. A custom bun warmer. Beach towel update.
Alright, so I wanted to check in because I made this cute little pouch. At first I was playing around with different seams, like the French seam, I think is what it's called. That's what I use for, I don't know if you can see, there's a seam down the middle of these two black panels. Yeah, you can see there. There's a seam and the bottom of this. And then I used a fold over seam here, and then I used bias tape for the top of this and the sides. And then I added these magnetic closure. So it's a cute little pouch. I wanted to play around with the French seam and the bias tape, and I really wanted to use this fabric. I feel like it's very beachy, so maybe I can use it for the beach, or I'll probably sell it, to be honest. Sell it maybe for like $5 if people want a cute little pouch. I don't know. I think it's really cute, and I've been wanting to play around with the French seam and use this scrap fabric because there's not much of it. But this was a fun project, a little spontaneous DIY project. And I don't know what else I'll get up to. I think I'm gonna keep on just crafting and seeing where the vibes go. Hello. It is the next day. It is the afternoon. I have made some progress on the beach towel. It is looking giant. It still has quite a bit left, but you can see it's huge, and it's just going to keep on getting bigger. I have quite a bit of yarn left, thank goodness. I should have enough yarn to finish this. This is the main project I worked on. I finished the bun warmer. I made a little pouch, but I am going to work my night job tonight, which means I will try and get some crocheting done while I'm there. And what else? Oh, I worked on my undead doggo drawing. I will flash my lovely creation up on the screen. I love him. He is so creepy. Almost done. I think he's almost done. And then I want to print out some stickers of him. I need to get working on this vlog. I'm tired.